Do you want to win $500 and 1 billion Bonfire tokens? Let's find out how. This is a 7-day competition, guys, and this update was posted on the 24th. Today is the 28th, so you have got 3 days left. So let's get started. So let's find out how you can win, guys. So retweet and follow Bonfire token, create a design for Bonfire, rules below. So let's see. So contest guidelines. I pick winners based on these factors: community votes, retweets, likes and shares, the originality and creativity of the design. You can submit an image/video for the design, add the hashtags, hashtag design contest and hashtag bonfire. So up next, artwork guidelines. Design can be about the advantages of Bonfire and what it is. You can use the assets and logos below. All entries transfer the rights to them so they can use the artwork. And also the winning design will be minted as an NFT, guys. Really good news. So there we have the assets that you can use for the contest. We got the Bonfire logos. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can win $500 and 1 billion Bonfire tokens. Really nice and simple. You just have to design an artwork about the advantages of Bonfire and what it is. Not only is this great for the community, but also amazing marketing for the new investors. In other news, guys, we have the latest marketing update from Joshua. So let's see what he has to say. So we are putting the final touches on our incredible banner and digital server ads. These will be going live. We're waiting on final approval from ad platforms and we're good to go. I will post the ads and banners and creative assets in here the moment they are approved. Not long now, guys, they are just waiting for approval. Really excited for Bonfire. So we will be rolling out the ads across 4chan, Reddit, KuCoin, CoinGecko, Newsbuy, CoinWars, What2Mind.com, BSC Scan, Bogged Finance, PooCoin and 1,000 of other websites. If you can think it, will be there. So guys, basically Bonfire will be taking all over the crypto related websites. Really great news for the Bonfire army. So over the next few days, you will see Bonfire take over the cryptoverse. This is just day one. This is just the beginning. Updates will be rolling out thick and fast. You won't be waiting weeks for new information and exciting updates. It will be days. So guys, I have to say, I really love how the team keeps us up to date with everything they do. As Joshua said, a few days left. Bonfire army, stay strong now more than ever. Guys, if you have enjoyed the video so far, please smash the like button. It helps me a lot. Thank you. So another one, guys, updates just keep coming. So we are working closely with a great partner called Adaptive.com. This is not an exclusive partnership, but for the first phase of rolling Bonfire for retail and capital investors, Adaptive offer us flexible yet effective results. Adaptive work with Wells Fargo, Havas, Exxon, HP, Horizon Media and many more. We are building a very specific Galaxy Brain strategy to make sure Bonfire appeals not to only the crypto heads, but to traditional investors, to Maz and Paz, to businesses and professional industries. Bonfire is more than a meme, it's more than an altcoin. Bonfire is unique and served much needed utility, filling a large hole in the blockchain space. Partners such as this will help drive us and the project forward. Massive news for Bonfire today, guys. As I said, they just keep on going. I love it. So let's see who Adaptive is. So Adaptive, smarter B2B advertising. So let's read a few things about them. Target: find your best customers by creating segments of your ideal business audience with accurate, validated data. Engage: connect with decision makers that matter the most to yield the best results. Analyze: leverage data, automation and analytics to gain ongoing and actionable insight. Optimize: turn insights into outcome to maximize results. So guys, long story short, Adaptive is a business-to-business marketing agency. These are their trusted partners. As Joshua said, guys, they work with huge brands such as Delta, HP, Intel, Wells Fargo, Horizon Media and many more. Great partner for Bonfire and I'm sure they will do amazing things together. Last thing before I go, guys, Bonfire won the project of the day poll. For those of you who don't know, this was a poll on the Binance community Facebook group with over 200,000 members and Bonfire won it. And I have to say, this is all due to the community, to all of you. This proves how strong Bonfire community really is, guys. Great job everyone. This is again another huge marketing update for Bonfire. Over 200,000 people know about Bonfire now, and maybe they're not investing in at the moment, but they will keep the project in their mind. So again guys, really good for Bonfire. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed the update and you want to stay up to date with the latest cryptocurrency news, consider subscribing. Thank you. And as always, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't sell one of your kidneys to invest into cryptocurrency. One more video will be on the screen. See you guys there.